Yun guys, welcome back sa Nuna Sports and may nakita na naman kaming bago manlalaro. Anong pangalan ni Kuya?
Josh po.
Yan, si Kuya Josh. Kuya Josh, meron kaming 3 questions and pag nasagot mo yun, meron kang 100 pesos. So, first question. How many signs are there in zodiac sign?
12.
12. Tama. 1 point. Second question. Which horoscope sign has a crab?
Grab.
A few inches.
Cancer.
Cancer, tama. Last question. What is the fertilized egg of a duck called?
Uy! Uy! Balot.
Balot? Balot is correct. Yon. Meron siyang 100 pesos dahil nasagot niya yung 3 tanong. So, any shoutouts, Kuya?
Shout out po sa TIP yan. Sa tsaka po dito sa mga kasama ko sa Euro.
Hey! Yan guys.